Vincenzo Lancia was born at the family house in the foothills of the Italian Alps.
There are stories in America of the crowds chanting, Lancia, Lancia, Lancia.
Lancia took what was the standard design of a car and moved it forward 20, 30 years.
Vincenzo Lancia is one of the great motoring pioneers in this world. But if you ask people, they don't know him.
It can be said that he was the first Formula One driver of the Italian nation.
He was probably fast and furious, like they called the movies today.
He raced for Fiat, he was their top racing driver for a few years, and then he decided he could make better cars than Fiat could and set up on his own in 1906.
He had a vision, and he also had some organizing talents with the right people surrounding him.
Lancia was the conductor of the orchestra.
The progression at a certain point made Vincenzo Lancia think of something completely new.
He designed a shell of a boat, turned it upside down and created this monocoque body for the lander.
Combining all those different ideas, putting them all together into one concept, it must have been a genius.
Things we see now in everyday car, it's started in this car.
The Aprilia is arguably the first modern light car. It handled and drove like a sports car, but yet it was a four-door saloon.
People say it looked like a Volkswagen from the 50s, it's the other way around. A Volkswagen is looked like an Aprilia from the 30s.
Vincenzo was a thinker. He was always looking to the future, how to improve things.
Lightness, robustness, conservative, radical.
Rolls-Royce took the best and made it better, but they were not as innovative or as forward-thinking as Lancia.
Who was Vincenzo Lancia? Large man presence, that he was involved in supporting the opera, he was involved in civic activities, he had a strong presence in Turin.
He was a lively man on the family side, but he was also a sparkling person with many ideas of his own, a bubbly character, I think.
It's the rally era of Lancia that the people in the street, if you like, that people remember. From there, I always hope that people will learn about where did it start, where does Lancia brand come from?